In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import any Notion template in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Notion or simply looking to enhance your workspace, importing a template can be a game changer. Templates can help you save time and maintain consistency across projects. Now, let's jump into it and guide you step by step through the process. First, you'll need to open up Notion in your web browser or through the desktop application. Notion works seamlessly across platforms, so it doesn't matter which one you choose. All you need is an active internet connection and your login details to get started. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the page or section within Notion where you'd like to bring in your new template. This could be a dedicated space for specific projects, your dashboard area, or any part of Notion where you see fit to use the template. This decision will depend largely on the type of template you're importing and your organizational structure within Notion. Next, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the page. There, you'll notice a menu icon that looks like 3 horizontal dots. Go ahead and click on those dots to unveil the menu. This menu is where you'll find numerous options that help customize the Notion space you're in. It's important to note that knowing your way around this menu can enhance your Notion experience significantly, as it contains tools and settings that are critical for customization and setup. Now, sift through the available menu options until you find the one labeled Import. This is the option we're interested in, as it will allow you to begin the template import process. Go ahead and click Import. By selecting this, Notion is readying itself to welcome new content from your device or cloud storage. Once you've done that, select the Upload from your computer option. This indicates that you've got the template saved locally on your device, and you're ready to bring it into Notion. Depending on your settings, your File Explorer or Finder window will open, which is your opportunity to navigate to where the Notion template file is saved. This window will help locate the template file efficiently, whether it's tucked away in a folder or sitting on your desktop. Now, go ahead and select the Notion template file that you want to import and click Open. Notion will process this file and integrate it into the space you selected earlier. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully imported a Notion template and can now customize it further to suit your needs. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide simplifies your use of Notion templates, saving you time and enhancing productivity. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips on leveraging digital tools in your everyday life.